I'm Thomas Smith, and today we are going to go ahead and unbox the Vewior air purifier here. It's a little air purifier you can use in your home. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this out of the box. We've got a instruction manual over here, and then we've got some protective layer on top of this. Let's go ahead and lower my desk here so you can see a little better. It's better. Now we can go ahead and pop out the purifier itself. This bag inside of the box. Let's see if there's anything else in the bottom here. Look like it. Looks like everything's contained in that. Perfect. So here we go with the purifier itself, and then let's pop it out of the bag. And let's see, we've got a couple different things here. Let's take a look. We've got controls on the top of this Vewior purifier. Vewior sent this to me to check out, so thank you for that. We've got some digital kind of touch buttons on top. Looks like we've got an automatic setting, the high speed, sleep setting, fan speed, and light on the side of the purifier here. Now, one question I have immediately in looking at it is how do we actually plug it into the wall? Is there a power outlet or anything? So let's open the bottom of it. Let's turn that and pull it off. And sure enough, yeah, here we go. Here's our power adapter inside of the unit there. So if you get it and you're like, oh, where's my adapter? Did I lose it in the box? No, it's just inside of the purifier. So take that guy out. It's a little power brick here. Let's see, it looks like a 24 volt, 1 amp power brick. So not too high of a power draw, which is good on that. And then it just plugs in. Looks like there's a little port on the back of the purifier that plugs into. Now, another part of the unboxing here, let's take out the filter. So here's our HEPA filter from that purifier. Obviously you want to take the plastic off. It's a circular purifier. I like that because you pull in air from all sides. It tends to mean a higher CADR, cleaner delivery rate, relative to the size of the purifier because it's able to pull in from all sides with that circular design. So it looks like we've got the pleated part of the HEPA filter here. Looks like we've got some carbon granules on the inside of this. We'll go ahead and pop that in, and then if we want to look inside this guy, we've got the actual fan inside. It's going to pull the air through the middle of that filter. Again, tends to get pretty good coverage of the room for, again, that fairly small size. Let's drop that in, and then I'm just going to align this on the side here. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little spin. Yep, locked in place. And looks like there's a little cover on top of the control panel here, so I'm just going to pop that off. Yeah, you can see if I hold this up, you might be able to see this on the camera, I'm not sure. There's some kind of scratches, scrapes on there. I bet you when I pull this off, it's going to be nice and clean and shiny underneath. Yes, indeed it is. So we've got the little indicator on the top. We've got this beautifully shiny control panel now on there, and power is all good to go. The filter's in. This is all ready to try out. Thanks again to Vewior for sending it to me, and see how this performs in my house.